If you usually sing out of rhythm, these exercises are for you. Today we are going to practice the exercises to sing in tempo with the time signature 2x4, 3x4 and 4x4.
En la oscuridad, cuando el sol no brille más. Ahora tú. Fuerte. Flojo, flojo, flojo. Canta conmigo.
It's my English channel. You also have my channel available in Spanish, Natalia Bliss, Clases de Canto desde cero. Welcome to my channel of singing lessons from scratch. I'm Natalia Bliss, singer, pianist and vocal technique teacher. Today we practice exercises with the 2x4, 3x4 and 4x4 time signature. If you usually have problems with the rhythm, I'm going to give you a very important trick. You must be able to feel the pulse of a song. How can you do it? Well, by clapping.
Tiempo de vals, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, sin parar de bailar. Imagine all the people.
Now, if you notice, the beats of each song are not the same. There is always one that stands out. That can stand out every 2, every 3, every 4, 5 or 6. If you pay attention, you will understand it. For example, in the song Imagine, the strong beat is altered by 3 weak beats.
Fuerte. Fuerte. Flojo, flojo, flojo. Fuerte. Flojo, flojo, flojo.
Is the accent is the indicator that this particular measure is 4x4. It means that we have 4 quarter notes.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, where the first one is strong. In the case of the song above, the strong beat is altered with 2 slack beats. So, in this case, it is 3x4, 3 quarter notes.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
In the case of 2x4, it would be a strong beat altering with a weak beat. It would be like this.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
As in the case, for example, of a rumba. So I recommend you do these beats while we are practicing the exercises. We start practicing measure 2x4. To memorize it better, we are going to sing this phrase.
Cuando el sol no brilla más, quiero estar junto a ti. Quiero estar junto a ti cuando el sol no brilla más.
If you find it complicated, you can simply sing a la la or na 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 following this melody. The melody is this.
Cuando el sol no brille más, quiero estar junto a ti. Quiero estar junto a ti. Cuando el sol no brille más.
Very easy. And the male voice here.
Okay. Cuando el sol no brille más, quiero estar junto a ti. Quiero estar junto a ti. Cuando el sol no brille más.
Okay, now you.
Y otra vez. Cuando el sol no brille más, quiero estar junto a ti. Quiero estar junto a ti. Cuando el sol no brille más. Ahora tú. Vamos. Muy bien.
Very good. Now we practice the musical compass 3x4. 3 beats of crochet.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Like in a waltz. If you like my content and want to support me, subscribe to this YouTube channel, activate the little bell so you don't miss my new videos, and also follow me on my Instagram and TikTok. That's where I announce my sweepstakes. The bar 3x4 we mark like this.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
We can add a simple melody, for example.
Ta, 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 ta.
Now we add the lyrics.
Bésame el tiempo de vals. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, sin parar de bailar. Haz que este tiempo de vals, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, no termine jamás. Ahora tú.
Excellent, you can repeat this melody several times to better feel this rhythm. Now we move on to measure 4x4. It's 4 beats of crochet, where the first beat is the strong one.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Like in the song Imagine or in the song Stand By Me.
When the night
1, 2, 3, 4.
has come
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2,
and the land is dark,
Okay, first we are going to sing a simplified melody.
1, 2, 3, 4. Ta 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 ta
Now we add a more complex melody from the song Stand By Me. The female voice can sing here and the male voice can sing here.
Al caer el sol en la oscuridad y la luna alumbra nuestro andar. Miedo no tendré, yo no temeré mientras tú vengas junto a mí. Ahora tú. Y otra vez. Y otra vez. Y otra vez.
If you want to find more vocalization exercises, I recommend you to watch my free playlist. Best Vocal Warm-Up, I leave it here in the corner. I hope you liked my video. Keep practicing, keep improving your vocal technique, and as always, I wish you enjoy the music and enjoy your voice. Kisses!